Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my own homemade second stage baby food. So the doctor allowed her to eat meat, vegetables, fruits, any kinds of fruits except for strawberries, and have a little bit of juice, but it should be like half juice and half water. So now that she's eating, so she loves this teeter biscuits. When it comes to her solid food, her schedule changed lately. It's because she's waking up super late, like around 8 or 9. Supposed to be she should be eating breakfast and then milk, but now she's only drinking milk in the morning around like 8 or 9ish, and then followed by lunch at 12 and milk, and then snacks at 4 and milk at 5, and dinner at like around 7:30 or 8 with solid food of course, and followed by milk. What I'm gonna show you is how I make all the vegetables, the meat, plus I am gonna show you how I make her snacks. So every time we go travel, of course we can't bring those to homemade food, so we always have this just for travel food. I think she likes to eat biscuits now. And let's go start making her food today. Let's go ahead and get 1 piece of chicken. Guys, you can use any meat like pork or beef, any protein that you want to add to your baby's food. Majority of the time I use chicken only because she likes the taste of chicken than other meat. Let's go ahead and wash the chicken and start cooking it. Then let's go ahead and get our mixed frozen vegetables. You can add any vegetables that you like. I usually add broccoli, spinach, or green beans, and carrots and corns. Let's go ahead and put that in a bowl and add water on it. And now we are ready to put that in the microwave for just at least 3 minutes. And now the vegetables are ready. Let's drain the water and let's cool it down. Instead of using tomato sauce, I am going to use fresh tomatoes just to add flavor on it. What you have to do is just to cut it and remove all the seeds, just to make sure remove all the seeds is for your baby's safety. There's a lot of research that it can cause appendicitis. I don't know, but I always remove the seeds before we eat it. And okay, let's mix our chopped tomatoes to our mixed vegetables, and it's ready for later. You can do this way, or you can just mix it later. It's just me that I mixed everything. It's easier for me to blend it later. Okay, let's check our chicken if it's ready. We need to make sure, guys, that whatever meat that are we going to mix in their food or in our baby's food is well cooked. We don't want any bacteria that's gonna cause their stomach upset. Okay, let's go ahead and cut our chicken into small pieces so it's easier for us to blend it later. I am going to use this magic bullet to blend everything, but if you have food processor, you can use that as well to make your homemade baby food. So like what I said earlier, her doctor allowed her to have juice, but it should be like half and half juice, half water. So I am going to put 4 ounces of apple juice and 4 ounces of water, total of 8 ounces. And we are going to mix this together with the meat and the vegetables. And this is my homemade baby food. So I am going to transfer this to 4 small containers, and she can eat this for 2 days. You can put it in your refrigerator or put it in your freezer. So now I am going to show you how I make her homemade snacks. So I am going to use apples, bananas, and peaches. She's now allowed to eat majority of the fruits except for strawberries. Let's start with the apple. Let's slice it into small cubes. Then let's chop and add banana. And I am going to add apple juice again to add flavor on it. Then let's blend them together. And then I am going to add another fruit, which is peaches. This is actually frozen fruits. I don't mind. You can add fresh fruits if you want. And then let's go ahead and blend it again. And now let's put this in the refrigerator and we're all set.
And
And that's it, guys. It's super simple step to make your own baby food, and I know that your baby gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you love this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click that like button below if you end up liking this video. I am uploading video every Monday and Friday, so I hope to see you in my next video, which is Monday. So God bless everyone and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.